Hey everybody, and welcome to another video. I hope everyone is doing fine and still healthy. In this video we're going to look at edible plant stems. In the last two videos we looked at allium plants and cruciferous plants and the growth hormones and amino acids that they contain. In this video I will show you which plants in the edible plant stem category that contain the most natural growth hormones. Did you know that at least 80 different types of greens are used depending on the area and the season, including black mustard, dandelions, chicory, fennel, leek, just to name a few. But officially, edible plant stems include asparagus, celery, bamboo shoots, rhubarb, and sugar cane. Other stems that we eat include potatoes and ginger, which grow underground and are called tubers. And other plant stems are also edible, such as broccoli and cauliflower, even though they're not necessarily grown for their stems. Actually, there are only a few plants in this category in general, but they're mainly used as food sources. But there are two in this category that you really should look at when it comes to amino acids and growth hormones, and that is rhubarb and sugar cane. And I'm sure that all of you have heard of blackstrap molasses. There are at least 23 different amino acids that have been detected in sugarcane juice, all to include the famous amino acid tryptophan. Rhubarb, on the other hand, is a spring vegetable and one of the very few that is still truly seasonal. The edible part of this perennial plant is a vibrant pink stalk, which is almost always cooked with lots of sugar, and it is very soft. Rhubarb boasts 2,10,2 NPK and is also rich in other amino acids and growth hormones. So as I said, sugarcane and rhubarb are the only two from this category that we use in our regimen, whether we're doing cannabis or normal vegetables. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, please. Thank you.